I'm going to use the thermometer from the first aid kit to check your temperature.
Okay.
Hold the thermometer still, okay?
Did you get it from the first aid kit?
Take your medicine using this medicine cup.
Do I have to drink it all?
Yes, just a little bit more. Let's check the thermometer one more time.
I think I feel better now.
I'm going to wrap this blood pressure monitor around your arm.
Is it going to squeeze really tight?
Just for a moment, it helps us see how strong your heart is.
I'm using my stethoscope to check your breathing.
It feels a little cold.
This otoscope helps me see inside your ear.
It tickles a little.
Open wide. I'll use this tongue depressor.
What's that IV bag for? It helps your body get fluids and medicine. I'm just adjusting your IV bag flow. It doesn't hurt anymore. Use this medicine cup for the correct dose.
Got it, thank you.
I feel so much better now. I think I hurt my hand.
Is that antiseptic going to sting?
Just a little, then you'll heal faster. This Band-Aid will protect the cut.
It looks cool.
I'll check your pressure with this blood pressure monitor.
It feels tight but not scary.
I'm removing the IV bag now. You're recovering well.
Does that mean no more needles?
That's right. No more needles for a while.
This sling makes my arm feel safe.
You just need to rest for a few days. I'm using forceps so I don't hurt you.
You're like a real nurse.
I'm putting clean gauze and adhesive tape on your arm.
Thanks. It feels much better now.
Do I still need this sling at school?
Yes, until your arm feels stronger.
The test tube results show you're fully recovered.
That's the best news ever!
I'm finally back to normal. Yes, but we'll always be ready with the first aid kit.